you doing? My name is Enrique, and today we're going to be installing a flush mount for any of your voice assistants. In this case, as you can see, we're setting up a playroom for our kids, and it's in the basement, away from life. And we're normally upstairs, so we're going to put Alexa down here, so that way we can use it as an intercom to get them to come do our bidding on a daily basis. But this is what you'll need right here by Mount Genine, the flush mount voice assistant. It comes with the flush mount itself, the cable extender for your power cord, your necessary screws, and a bracket to mount it to the drywall. Alright, so first thing you need to do is you're going to find exactly where you want to put this. In my case, before I got this, I went ahead and already marked out a hole over here. And it's a little dark, so you might want to turn on the light. The light, okay. Alright, I made the hole, but the hole's still just a smidgen small. It's about the size of Alexa itself. So you're going to go ahead and put your bracket on there. Get yourself a little permanent marker or dry erase marker, whatever you have. That's ready to readable, pen, pencil. And just trace around the mount. Just like so. Alright. Once you trace around the mount, if you take a drill, if the hole wasn't cut out, you get yourself a little drill bit, put yourself a small couple holes in there. You don't have to try to outline it with the drill. Then get yourself a drywall saw. And then you'll cut the rest of the hole out with the drywall saw. Perfect. No one's gonna see it after you put the mount on anyway. Go and take them out, do a little test fit, make sure it fits properly. It's a little snug, that's good. Just like so. You'll place the mount. Out, depending on how you want your power cord to come out, that's how you obviously install it. In my case, on the other side of this wall, I have no drywall, so it's an open wall. I've already drilled holes with 2x4s to bring it down, to bring it into this outlet when I'm all done with everything. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this in the direction I want it, where my holes are in the wall, just like so. Also comes with instructions, so if you don't want to watch the video, you want to read these, then by all means, have at it. But once you take the, excuse me, alright, so your next step, you're going to go ahead and get into your packet that contains, I don't really know what this is, but it's in there, we're obviously going to use it. But you also have your 2 screws with a Phillips head. You're going to take the bracket that came with the mount, and you're going to place it at the back of the mount, just like so. Then, you're going to put your screws on the front side of the mount, just like so. Screws into the bracket. And you're gonna come back onto your hole. You're gonna put the mounting at an angle to get part of the bracket in first. And then you'll slide the rest of the mount in. Just like so. That looks kind of cool. Pause. Drill and a Phillips bit, if you have one. If you don't have one, any regular old Phillips screwdriver will work. And you're gonna go ahead and tighten down on that bracket. Just like so. Don't put it too tight because you don't want your bracket to cut too deep into the drywall. And then you have an extra hole in drywall that you can see. Now, after you get that in place,